What's up, people? I told you I would make us a video about line breaks, and here is June brought these up. I never even considered using line break candles, but I literally have fallen in love with these things. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get into a trade. First of all, I'm using the line break 3. So we'll go right here to settings. That's firstly beacon settings. We want to our settings. And yeah, number of lines 3. Okay. And then I'm using the 1 minute chart right now, but you can go to different. When I was every day, the trades that were trade copy, I was scalping 1 second line break charts. Here's what it looks like. And if you look right here, you get a break of the zone. It comes, bounces down, and then you get this big green candle pushing up through the beacon line. There's you 40 ticks right there. Boom. And that's what I was doing, and it works awesome. But this also right here, a 1 minute, 2 minute chart is pretty slick with these things. I really like them, and they really show bull flags and bear flags to the T. Look, so here's our normal setup, right? We get a break of the orb, okay, comes down, retest the zone. Here's the 945 zone right here, right? I'm using a 15 and a 45, and you get a big green candle punching right off of that sucker. And here's your entry. And if you go to the high right here, that's 140 ticks. 140 ticks in NQ. That's a good day. All right, and then you get some more right here. Boom. And I wouldn't take this one because this one, you might. I mean, there's 40. Yeah, I guess. But this guy right here, when you see it come back and do that again, and you've actually got your beacon line that has come back down to the orb. See how none of these come to the orb? None of these come back down to the opening range high right here, right? This one does, and then this big candle busts right through that beacon line after bouncing off the orb, sweeping all this right here. Look at this run, okay? This is the one you hold. There's 500 ticks right there. And you just hold that sucker till you get your first red candle. See that right there? Or when it breaks below the beacon line, like closes below the beacon line. This one closed below the beacon line, so you could have got out at the top right up here like that. And if you look, this stuff is pretty powerful, man. We get a break of the orb, and we get a retest, right? And here's your retest right here, the orb. Well, you could have taken this too. I probably would have scalped this up. And there's, 80 plus ticks. And then we get a break and beacon line turns green, and we get a break up through. There's another 100 ticks. That's enough money for to be happy for the day trading NQ. Here's another one. So we break the orb, and we actually come and retest both zones right here. Like, since this is already there, they're deleted, but there they are, right? And then this one is right here, and look at what we're retesting right on top of the orb. Beacon lines turning green. Look at these candles busting up. Boom. Right? So these line break candles, they're becoming a major part of my strategy now. I really like them, and I'm going to continue using them. And I was actually scalping. I'm not lying. All those trade copies that everybody got over the week. I was scalping the 1 second candles, 1 second line breaks, because it's not even that fast, right? It's just, look at this dump right here, right? And then you get a pullback, and this is literally a bear flag right here. And while the beacon line is still red, right? At that point, I'm entering that sucker, and I'm going to target like the bottom of the top of this zone right here. There's another 66 ticks right there. Or hold it until you get your first green candle, right? But if you get a bull flag like this right here, this one didn't do it. It's the return candle, what I'm calling the return candle. So you have your down return, this third candle up. If this candle blows through the beacon line like that, this is a really good entry. That one doesn't really work out, but here you go. Here's one right here. So it comes down and blows through, and look at that right there. And this one right here, it blows through the beacon line back up, and you get your 40 ticks. You're gonna get 40. Look at that. And this one came kind of blew through, but it did cross up through, so it didn't meet that rule. But look at you're getting some points out of this. And here we go again. Here's another one. We would break even on that one, but always go break even. And then boom, right there, boom, look, 40. This is absolutely amazing. And here we go. I wouldn't take this one. It didn't shove up through. You want to see this happen right here. Down and shove up, right? That's just one of the little setups that I've noticed. Now, if you get into the open, right, like this, like right at 9:30, this pushes up, you get the red candle, and well, this was red, I wouldn't take it. So here comes another one. You get a red candle, and then it flips up green again while the beacon line is still green. It never dropped down red like this one did right here. See this right here? I'm taking this all day. Taking that trade all day, and I'm gonna hold that sucker until I get a red candle. Look at that, 119 ticks. That is these line break candles are awesome. All right, well, I just wanted to show everybody that and start maybe thinking to use it. I'll show you what a 2 minute time frame looks like real quick. Look at how clear that is, man. Even if you use this as a confluence chart, like not entering, but using it as, okay, we've bounced off of it, and you can flip into your regular entry chart, right, and get a good entry. But this is literally telling you what the hell is going on here, and this is amazing. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.